Hey kings and queens, today we are going to talk about oil pulling. We know that it dates back over 3,000 years, and what oil pulling does, it helps to, the claims are made that it helps to whiten teeth, remove stains that cause bacteria. It also helps to build the immune system. It also helps with receding gums. It has a detoxifying effect. It removes bacteria from the mouth. It helps with inflammation, which reduces the occurrence of disease and illness. So there are 3 oils that most people recommend, which is going to be your carrier oils. And you can go with sunflower oil, but I did not use sunflower oil. Right here, I have 1 cup of coconut MCT coconut oil. And right here, I also have a 1/4 cup of sesame seed oil. And I'm going to go ahead and add this into my coconut oil. Now you can use one or the other, or you can use a combo. And I decided to go with the combo because of the benefits of both of them. So I'm just going to stir this up a little bit. Now I know for a fact that oil pulling does work with tooth pain, because I've had it and this is what I use, and I have been doing this for about 2 years now. And so we're going to go ahead and add in myrrh to this, and I am going to add in 5 drops. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to add in, now you can use spearmint oil, essential oil, or you can use peppermint essential oil. And I'm going to add in 5 drops of peppermint. And I am also going to add in clove essential oil, and I'm going to use 5 drops of that as well. I'm going to give it a stir. Now, what oil pulling is you take about a tablespoon, or you can fill up a dropper full of the oil. And what you do, you drop it into your mouth. And what it is called oil pulling for a reason. You're squishing the oil around in the mouth, through the teeth, back and forth. You're pushing it through the teeth, you're squishing it in, and you're pulling. There's a pulling sensation that you're working it through every area of the mouth. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to take a dropper full, as much as I can get of it, and I am going to add it to my cup. I'll do about 2. Nope, doesn't look like a tablespoon. Let's go 3. So we'll do 4. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just drink this and squish it through. Now you're supposed to do this for 15 to 20 minutes. So what you do, just do it when you're doing chores around the house. Now I got to tell you, it might make you gag, but this is amazing. The benefits are wonderful. So here we go. Let's just pretend like that was 15 or 20 minutes. So this is for dental health. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell.